So what is going on, guys? Welcome back again for another video. In this video I'll be showing you how to fix Wi-Fi problem in computer and Wi-Fi in connection problem in Windows 7, 8 and 10. Some of you want to know how to fix the Wi-Fi network adapter, the Wi-Fi network network. See, as you can see here, it says not connected, no connections available. Here only shows in airplane mode. So with that being said, let's start. On the Windows search bar, type device manager. And on device manager, look for network adapters. The Intel Arrow 82579 LM Gigabit Network connection. Then click on it. This device is disabled. Code 2022 82. Do you know why this device is do you know why the Wi-Fi is not showing? Because the device data network connection is disabled, so you have to click to enable device so it will show. Then in the message will show the device are normally disabled if they are not working properly or causing a source conflict. You cannot use a device when it is disabled. If you would like to use the device again, then you need to enable. Click next. Then click on finish. Then close. then go to the next one. See, as you can see, the Wi-Fi is not the Wi-Fi is not appearing. And as you can see, this device is also disabled. You have to click to enable it. If you would like to use this device, yes, you click next. Then click on finish. Then click on close. Then they click on X to close. They click it if the Wi-Fi has come ahead. But here the Wi-Fi is turned. The Wi-Fi is turned off. So you have to enable to show the Wi-Fi network. And then wait for a few minutes because I've connected some networks. As you can see, the Wi-Fi is now successfully activated. So that's how to fix a Wi-Fi connection problem in Wi-Fi. In computer for Windows 7. So that's how to fix a Wi-Fi connection problem in computer for Windows 7, 8 and 10. So if you have any questions, drop a comment below, so I'll reply you. Comment it, like, share and subscribe. Share this video to your friends and your family and everyone to the world. For those who are doing computer science, follow me on social media platforms. Let me know if you have problems on your computer, so I can reply you, because I want you to encourage you to keep supporting me, keep on pushing my brand new videos, and I want you to keep supporting me on my channel. Let us grow this channel and get to 20,000 followers. That's how we do it, because it gives you that's how we do it, because it gives you tutorials, it gives you It's something. It's give you something to learn how to learn how to use computer and all matter of that. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll and see you in the next video.